If your Toyota won't start, these common problems may be to blame. Start by checking your fuel system. Check the fuel gauge and make sure that you're not out gas. If your fuel level is not the issue, but you can still smell the odor of gas, inspect your fuel lines or fuel filter for leaks. Key fob issues can also prevent your Toyota from starting. If a key not detected message appears, or the fob will no longer unlock doors, replace the key fob battery. Lastly, failing sensors or blown fuses may also cause a no-start state in your Toyota. Refer to your owner's manual for help locating your fuses. If you need to order replacement parts for your Toyota, visit parts.olathettoyota.com for OEM parts at wholesale prices today.